Hey guys, so today we'll be unboxing very unique, exceptionally unique speakers, Castle Night 2s. As far as I know, this will be the first unboxing video on YouTube ever, so I'm glad I can do that because those are, as I said, very unique speakers. Even the box is pretty unique. Okay, so let's start. Okay. As you can see, not open. And this one. Okay. I know the pencil. And now let's open the box. Wow, that's nice. So as you see, we have some catalog, some feeds. Okay, let's open this real quick. Let's see what's inside. So we have feeds, pretty nice. User manual. Wow, that looks phenomenal. I have to say I'm impressed, guys. That's pretty good presentation. Wow, nice. Pair of gloves, so you won't, put some dirt on your new speakers, but I won't be using them. And some pamphlet, warranty card. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's put those aside and see. Okay. Oh, those are not that heavy, but that weight quite a bit. Another one. Nothing in the box, as you saw. Okay, so I need to put the speakers. So as you see, they are in this sort of cover. Pretty cool, wow. And what's special about those speakers is they use real wood veneer. So, and it looks even better than on the photos in real experience. Wow. So nice. Okay, so let's move them. So they put the grills already. Castle Night 2. They look amazing. Guys, it looks unbelievable for the price. Wow, I'm out of words, guys. So, and here are the terminals and the back. And by the way, English is not my first language, so you have to excuse me. Guys, it looks much better than on the photos. If you consider this antique oak color, don't hesitate, because it looks much different than on the photos, much better. Okay, so I think that's all. Thank you all for watching, and I guess another last look at the speaker. And we will be quitting. Wow, even those terminals, man, amazing. Finally there will be unboxing video on YouTube, because I've searched before buying them and no one really did any, so I'm glad I could be the first one. So thank you all for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.